go in the basement? Go in the basement?
Ow!
I found this nice little cat. I think she's a stray. Are you pregnant, you little whore?
Who is that fine babe?
Kill John Lennon! Kill John Lennon!
Princess!
Come on, boo-boo. Finish your breakfast. Oh! What happened? Oh.
Are you okay, little boy?
Size Kira'nın tikini göstereceğim.
Oh, that's liquor. That's liquor. That ain't, oh, that's liquor.
What'd you say my chain could have been?
I have another goddamn cat stick his head in my ruffles bag. Ah, yo, 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 give me some, give me some. Give me some. Yeah, boy.
Hey! What?
I have to shower. What are you doing? Are you Nope, you gotta go here, baby.
Hey!
How in the world can people not like cats? Like, look at this. Look at him. He's adorable. How in the world can people not like cats? Like, look at this. Look at him. He's adorable.
Ow, bitch. You just choked yourself up.
Got your booty.
The head whip when the time changed.
Are you okay?
So, you know, just checking on the kittens before we leave. Hello?
There's a 6th kitten.
Hello? What? Mommy was busy. Oh my god.
Why does this blanket feel so weird? It almost feels like... Oh.
Get off! Why?
He looks dead inside.
Can I get a slushie?
What kind?
A blue one?
Okay, what size?
Mom.
This is perfect. 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 Perfect.
You deserve the fucking world, bro. You deserve the fucking world. And you know what? I'm gonna give it to you, Mango. I'm gonna give you the world, bro. Bonjour, est-ce que je peux vous aider? Quel est le saut?
Let's go on the with the player and what block as you can see. Look at all the robot. Let's go eat.
That did not just happen.
Oh my god, what is that? Put it in the cart. Put it in the cart. I don't even remember what I came here for.
Oh, that's my finger. That's my finger. That's still my finger. That is still my finger. Oh, you. Does that help? Yeah, there you go.
That bag was $200. You was $25. Get off my shit. Don't be trying to swipe at me.
Kill John Lennon. Kill John.
Penelope, you got caught again. Let me see. Put her down.
Cuz, bro, she just scratched the shit out.
Oh my boom boom. That was a lot of food that you just put in your belly. Hi. Hello, my sweet love. I love you. You are precious.
I wish there was something that could cure my depression.
You are healed. I have healed.
So I just realized that I have accidentally conditioned my cat to come running to the kitchen every time I say shit. They assume that I dropped something, and they come running.
Bro, please, please, bro, please. No, please. Can I get a slushie?
What kind?
A blue one?
Okay, what size?
Mom.
You got ugly. Angel, you smell like poop. You smell like poo poo. You smell like poo plastic. You fat boy.
This is perfect. 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 Perfect.
¿Qué está pensando, señora? ¿Mm? ¿O está enojada? ¿Por qué está así? ¿Mm?
Fıstık bırakma. Bırakma tut şunu. Tut. Kızım tut. Ha aferin. Ha 2.30.
My cat? My cat? Not my cat.
Oh.
Wait, what?
What?
Oh my god!
Show something you regret buying and what you turned it into.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is...
Bro, like, I can't walk away or he's just gonna attack me.
Kiss your cat and see their reaction.
Can I get a slushie?
What kind?
A blue one?
Okay, what size?
Mom.
Oh no. You can't get out. That's terrible. Dennis, do you need help? You can't get out. Are you stuck? Oh no. Oh no. Are you stuck in the... Oh, good job.